Okay, now it is.
Yeah. Holy cow, this is...
It's so teeny. Wait, where is it?
Okay, so that's here's the literature. And there's your system. Yeah, is that small? I don't know. That is fucking itty bitty.
Oh, it's like...
Jesus. Not what I thought it was going to look like at all.
Holy crap, look how little it is.
That's awesome. Memory card slots for the GameCube.
GameCube memory card slots.
Plugs.
4 GameCube ports.
Nice.
SD card slot. Sync button, everything's wireless.
Holy cow, that's...
Multi-AV out. Sensor bar output, 2 USB ports.
Very nice.
Holy cow, smell.
USB cord. Good little stand.
Well, that's weird. The video recording just got better for a second there. Yeah. So when this has the right amount of light, the video recording is like really good.
Oh yeah.
But then if it's not, it's blurry like mine.
If you got the right lighting, the pictures are...
Like right now, it's like...
Yeah, if Porky were to get off his lazy ass and turn on that light over there.
It's like right here. Bam.
Still going, right?
Oh yeah.
Sensor bar.
What?
Sensor bar? Because all this wireless shit's Bluetooth.
Where the hell does that go?
The sound, the top TV or the sound?
Yeah, it just goes by the TV.
Look how many little stands for it too.
It comes with a stand.
A little
Or the
stand.
sensor bar needs a stand.
It comes with a controller. So how many controllers did you get? 2 extra controllers? Or 3?
I got 3 extra controllers.
Oh, so we got 4.
Still going?
Oh yeah.
What's this? Oh, this is the stand?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna look at that right now. Want to pause it?